Ever found yourself in a digital labyrinth, desperately searching for the exit button, only to be met with more menus and less clarity? We've all been there, especially when navigating new platforms. And if that platform happens to be Neon, you might be wondering, how exactly do I log out of this thing? It's a question that seems simple enough on the surface, but the truth is, not all logout procedures are created equal. Some apps make it glaringly obvious, a big red button practically screaming, "Click me to escape." Others, well, they hide it like a hidden treasure, requiring a mini quest to uncover. And when it comes to safeguarding your privacy and the security of your information, knowing how to properly log out is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. Leaving yourself logged in on a shared computer, a friend's device, or even your own phone when it's out of your sight for a moment can expose your data to unwanted eyes. It's like leaving your front door wide open when you step out, you just wouldn't do it. So, whether you're wrapping up a quick session on a public computer, switching devices, or simply taking a break from your digital escapades, understanding the correct logout procedure for Neon is crucial. We're not just talking about closing a tab or minimizing a window here, we're talking about a complete disengagement that ensures your session is terminated and your account is secure. Think of it as a digital handshake goodbye, confirming that your data is no longer actively linked to that specific device or browser instance. Now, let's cut to the chase and demystify the process of logging out of Neon. The good news is, it's typically straightforward once you know where to look. First things first, make sure you are actually within the Neon application or website. If you've just closed your browser, you might still be technically logged in on the server side, but a new browser session would require re-authentication. To initiate a proper logout, you'll want to be actively viewing your Neon interface. Once you're in, the most common place to find the logout option is within your profile or account settings. Look for an icon that resembles a person, a gear, or your profile picture. Clicking on this usually reveals a drop-down menu with various options, and logout or sign out is almost always among them. It might also be discreetly located at the very bottom of a navigation sidebar, so do a quick scroll if it's not immediately apparent. In some cases, especially with certain web applications, you might find the logout button nestled within a security or privacy section of your settings. This is less common for a simple logout but worth checking if the more obvious spots don't yield results. Once you locate and click logout, Neon will usually prompt you with a confirmation message, asking if you are sure you want to sign out. This is a standard security measure to prevent accidental logouts. Confirm your choice, and you should be redirected to the Neon login page or a general landing page, indicating that your session has been successfully terminated. It's always a good practice to then close the browser tab or the application completely to ensure no residual data is left lingering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.